What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to save your images, history or prompts on Midjourney. So let's say you have a Midjourney account. As you know, Midjourney is a popular image generation tool based on prompts that you enter. So if you want to save like a certain image that you generated, all you have to do is right click on the image and then select save image as to your desired location on your device. And if you want to save a certain image, you can upscale it to further increase the details, then save it as I told you. And you can do so with multiple images as well. And you have the option to save the text prompts themselves, so you can use them later. To do so, go to Discord and go to your channel and go to the originally submitted prompt, select it, then copy it and then paste it in your like text editor. So the text editor on your computer, Microsoft Word, like Google Docs or any text editor, and then save it for later. And then you can copy and paste the prompts back to Midjourney and generate the same images, and if you want to edit the prompt and so on.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.